Contextual awareness is about having information about the immediate situation of people and things in relation to each other, place, time, and activities that define the situation. Contextual awareness in the safety and security environment is a big thing. Protecting people and assets against increasingly faster, more dangerous, and sophisticated threats is a big thing. Acquiring, deploying, and managing a system that provides timely, accurate, and actionable information all the time is a big thing too. A big thing meaning big data requiring big processing power. And big data means big money, right? And chances are that after all that big hassle, you may end up with a fancy piece of kit that is great for producing big reports and beautiful graphs for presentation purposes to the board. It all could end up a big disappointment. XFU is a little tool that solves these big problems. Our smarter technology enables high-velocity, real-time analytics of little bits of big data in context. It provides unparalleled power in analytics and contextual computing with only one purpose: to get the right information at the right time, to the right people, to make the right decisions, and to protect people and assets all the time. This is contextual awareness, and it makes a big impact for little money. XFU is uniquely designed and built to be forward-looking and future-proof. It uses sophisticated augmented intelligence developed to significantly enhance humans to have the right information at the right time to proactively decide the best course of action. The protocols and actions required are documented and programmed into the system in consultation with your own or outside industry experts. The system can be divided into the following components. XFU is the heart of the system. It provides real-time, high-velocity data analytics, monitoring, and alerting. It is completely agnostic to hardware connected, from sensors through servers and networks. The engine is scale invariant, from a small contained site with a few inputs per hour to a geographically wide area with millions of sensors and tens of thousands of transactions per second. Its performance is unmatched in terms of speed and power. It is self-learning and predictive in terms of threat class and type, as well as location, time, date, and duration. And it's aware of all sensors, locations, activities, time, interests, and behaviors, as well as proximities to associates, assets, resources, and other information. It optimizes routes, time to move, assets, resources, processes, and workflows. In real time, all the time. The Sense layer supports multiple protocols and normalizes data packets from sensors, making XFU's analysis completely sensor agnostic. In other words, any sensor input to XFU is translated into a common language, if you will. The central nerve system is a robust, low-cost, self-organizing network that covers the area or areas from which contextual analytics is required. The central nerve system supports multiple protocols, bearer channels, and frequencies. It dynamically adjusts to conditions, allocating radio resources in real time. Furthermore, with computational intelligence distributed across peers and super-peers, supporting mesh, star, and peer chaining architectures, routing is guaranteed and provides full coverage in traditionally difficult deployments like indoors, high-density environments, and remote locations. The Aware tag is an intelligent multi-radio frequency tag. The Aware tag is dynamically controlled by XFU to optimize performance, power consumption, and operation across varying frequencies on available networks. The Aware tag balances awareness at the sensor and super peer with back-end analysis capability and acts as a node in the peer-super peer network within the central nerve system. The Aware tag is a small device with a very low cost in volume, and if required can be camouflaged as anything or be installed in anything. It supports a battery life of more than 2 years and a range of over 2 miles. Together, the XFU components form a powerful contextual awareness system at a fraction of the cost and time to deploy of competing systems. XFU delivers proactive, actionable information to the user in a simple gauge interface showing the state of alert of any asset. This interface is accessible from any device. An effortless drill down reveals status of asset, alerts, types of alerts, and recommended course of action and protocols. Whether you need to monitor the integrity of a 20,000 kilometer long oil pipeline network, keep an eye on one particular shipping container in a busy commercial harbor, or protect a herd of rhino from poaching in a 100,000 hectare reserve, XFU will provide you with relevant, real-time, actionable information to protect your people and assets all the time.